crown thing. You might have seen it, you might not have seen it. I don't care. 1980s Reliant Scimitar. Cut to some pictures of me looking cute. And I was looking underneath it a few months back, and there was some significant holes. So we had to strip it all down. Obviously the engine's right here. This is the chassis. Axle, suspension, boxes and boxes of crap.
It's worth noting as well, putting the shell on that wood frame, Christ alive.
Quite an achievement. Credit to Murray, the lost soul. That was impressive, to be honest with you. But yeah, there's literally like...
It's too high to start with, though.
It was too high. It's adjustable. We haven't managed to make it to the full height, and it took 20 Herculeses to come and help us with that.
Yeah, it was an ordeal to say the least, wasn't it? But you've had this has been sandblasted, hasn't it? You've done some welding work on it.
So I fixed this. Nice little bit of, I mean, lighting's not here, you go.
Yeah, like you were saying, all the holes and that, you patched that all up.
A nice bit here.
Well, that was the biggest hole, wasn't it?
Alright, so, what's happening? Yeah, take this to the galvanisers, then it's going to get powder coated. Might paint it with some flake, obviously. This going to the powder coaters, or the suspension. That's the rear axle, we've got a power steering rack as well. I want to put an LSD in there, hopefully. I've got coilovers and stuff. So I did a little series for all you weasels who want to know about what's cracking.
Yeah, obviously all the content on our YouTube channel and on our Instagram is all like devoted to drifting really, but obviously we're about everything with wheels really, so...
Any cool cars, it's just that drifting is the cheapest.
Yeah, so true, that's what we can afford, but this is obviously in your possession, so, you know, we're creating what we can. Alright, sweet, let's go to Gavin's galvaniser.
Let's go see Gavin.
It's Freddie Flintstone. Whoa!
Jackets, man.
That's right.
That was written on.
Oh no, my North Face!
Gucci!
Some spectators. Chassis at the galvanisers, isn't it? That's going to be on the way back, but in the meantime, Jamie's got ahead of himself. I was like, you can't resist, can you?
I can't resist.
Yeah.
This is the Simi engine, and I don't like it.
Don't like why? What's she done to you, man?
I don't like it. 1980, 2.8 Cologne Ford V6.
Bang, there we go.
130 ponies, perhaps.
How many miles?
120,000.
She's seeing her time on the face of the earth.
Yeah, it's got a big gear. I mean, this is new to me, really. It's got two.
Yeah, so yeah, that's worth noting. Look, it hasn't got timing chains on it.
No timing chains. It's a single cam with push rods, with the cam on the end here, I guess.
It's literally as bare bones as an engine gets, really, innit?
Definitely.
It's old schooly.
It's got two exhaust ports for three exhaust ports.
Yeah, run me through some stuff. What's that there?
This is the come off the front, timing cover. Bang. Slash water pump housing. Whoop. This is the thermostat.
Wow. Look all that. Look how thin all the channels are as well for the water and all the crap to pass through. We were just chatting. So, are you gonna put this back in? Are you gonna drop this back in the chassis?
I don't want to.
Yeah.
I don't want to. Well, I would like to keep a carburettor. There's not any option. Well, there's no easy options really.
No.
I don't know.
You could put a 36 lump in it.
Well, it did actually cross my mind. Put a 3 litre M54. Bang.
Yeah.
That would be some.
But that's like, it's like twice the size of that little thing.
Yeah, do you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Alright, cool. Well, yeah, let's strip down some stuff then, and there's an Axel over there. We'll introduce her in a little bit. That is what old looks like.
This is old.
Old.
That's what it looks like.
Solid rear end.
I don't know what to do. You know what to do.
There's going to be a lot of that, isn't
Any
there?
idea what we're doing?
Dunno.
That's how old it is. It's got cobwebs growing on it, mate.
Look how crispy this is.
Crispy bacon. Bit of magic juice.
So you laugh at me.
What have we done?
Work it.
Bit of snappage.
Simi has claimed another victim.
Alright, well, that's all that we could do on the old Axle. Clean some off of it. What's up next?
Filing cabinet needs all
Oh, we gotta wait for the chassis to come back, so till then. That's a shiny looking chassis you got there. Look at you rocking on it.
I'm rocking on this, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah, she's back.
here she is.
Last time you saw it, it was rusty as hell. We've driven it, we've picked it up. Here it is, brand new.
Brand spankers. Yeah, it's just to give it a new lease of life, really, innit? Obviously, you know, 40 years of corrosion and all that sort of thing. Well, hopefully next time you see this, we'll start attaching some suspension
Might be a
bits
different
onto
colour.
it.
I'm not too sure.
Oh, yeah, you're saying about powder coating it,
Not
innit?
too sure, yeah. Some people say that you should, some people say you shouldn't, some people say put oil on it.
Oil?
Yeah, like wax or like resin oil.
Oh, yeah, I feel that.
Um,
Like underseal or something like that.
I'm not too sure what I want to do with it. I wanted it sparkly if I'm honest.
How much? Actually, I have a question as well.
Yeah.
A query. How much they cost?
What? 100 and
Is that it?
quid.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Wow, that's well
And they had it
blessed.
done in proper, like, it was like 2-3 days they could have done it, I think.
Well, yeah, I'm not surprised it was done rapid, to be fair, because that was pretty industrial.
It was huge. They offer a 24-hour service.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's huge.
Damn. It literally looks brand spankers. It's crazy.
Isn't it? But this is better than this chassis ever was as well.
Yeah. Well, you don't think it was
It
galvanised from
wasn't
factory?
galvanised from factory. No, the later ones were, but this one wasn't. So that's why it was so rusty.
Damn. All right. Cool.
That whole section over there was completely gone, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. You're not wrong.
Some extra welds on the inside, but it's not that nice.
All right. Cool. Well, I'll get a couple detail shots and we'll crack on with some other bitch.